Welcome to the patterns of inheritance.
This is one of the exceptions to Mendel's laws called dominance. Two homozygous dominant alleles for black and white hair color share genetic material during crossing over. The genotypic ratio obtained was a 1-to-1 ratio. The percentage was 50% for both black and white. The resulting offspring is heterozygous for both traits. It acquired a black and white hair color. In the early 1900s, while most of the scientists were appreciating Mendel's hypothesis, there was one person which was not impressed by his hypothesis. That person was T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan experimented a common fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. Morgan crossed different strains of fruit flies that had distinct traits, in this case eye color. He focused on traits that were easy to observe and had clear variations. He cross-fertilized red-eyed homozygous wild-type female with white-eyed homozygous mutant male. The resulting offspring of the F1 generation had a genotypic ratio of 1-to-1 and a percentage of 50% for both white and red-eyed Drosophila. The phenotype obtained was all males were affected for the red eye color, females were heterozygous for white eye color. Morgan fertilized the F1 generation amongst each other and obtained the F1 generation with a genotypic ratio of 1-to-2-to-1, with a phenotype of 1 red-eyed male, 1 red-eyed female, and 2 white-eyed male and female, which is evident in this Punnett square representation. Morgan noticed that traits were not segregating according to the Mendelian ratios after crossing the F1 generation amongst themselves to create the F2 generation. Due to the realization that certain traits were often inherited together more frequently than predicted, he hypothesized that these traits were located on the same chromosome and thus inherited together due to a phenomenon called sex linkage. Sex-linked mutations are located on the sex chromosomes and often inhibit different inheritance patterns between males and females due to the differences in sex chromosome inheritance. Males are more likely to be affected by the sex-linked disorders due to them having one X and Y chromosome, of which the X chromosome carries the mutant allele for the disorders. Albinism is an absence of melanin in the skin. It is caused by mutations of certain genes responsible for the amount of melanin the body produces. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, also called DMD, is an inherited disorder of progressive muscular weakness typically in males. It is caused by an either spontaneous or inherited genetic mutation in the DMD gene.